Matthew 1:8. Asaph de egenisen ton Jehoshaphat, Jehoshaphat de egenisen ton Joram, Joram de egenisen ton Uzziah. We continue with the genealogy of Jesus here, and as we've seen, always connected with this particle of development. Don't forget, that's called a post-positive particle. A post-positive, after the first, post-positive. Usually comes second, as it does consistently here in our text, but sometimes it can be third, fourth, or even fifth. In English, we put those connecting particles first. Let's translate. So we read, and Asa. We noted in the previous verse how this is referring to the Asa of the Old Testament, but sometimes we find that name transliterated this way. So, and Asa begat or fathered. Well, just remember, we have an augment, we have a sigma, bam, that's going to be an aorist. It's an aorist active indicative, and that's a third-person singular ending. We've seen this verb over and over again. You have to be able to parse it. You have to be able to say the lexical form is genao. You need to know that, right? So, and Asa begat Jehoshaphat, and Jehoshaphat begat Joram, and Joram begat Uzziah. Again, you can note, let's remember, just review a little bit of a technical vocabulary here. Transliteration is where we take the words in one language and we write them now in the letters of another. So, for example, when I, right now, write in Latin letters for the English-speaking people, Asa, I am transliterating, or I could also write Asaph if I wanted to. I am transliterating this word. And these names are, of course, transliterations of Hebrew originals. So sometimes changing the spelling slightly to accommodate to a Hellenistic tongue.